Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by restoring essentials. Power the router, plug an Ethernet cable to your laptop if possible, and ensure the device is close to you. Once done, log into the router's admin page using the default IP or the ISP credentials. This is faster than guessing. Make sure you have the SSID and password you want to reuse and the ISP account info in case the modem needs reactivation. Doing these steps first prevents backtracking and saves time later. You now reconfigure core settings. Either use the router's setup wizard or select WAN type manually. PPPoE requires a username and password. DHCP is automatic. Once connected, set the wireless SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase. This secures clients. Next, enable DHCP so devices get IPs, verify DNS entries for speed, and check for firmware updates to fix bugs. Make changes one at a time and reboot the router after critical edits. You finish by reconnecting devices. Restart phones and laptops, forget the old network profile, then join the new SSID with the passphrase. If you still lack internet, power cycle the modem and router, wait 30 to 60 seconds between cycles, and confirm the ISP account is active. Sometimes reprovisioning is required. If problems persist, inspect router logs and verify MTU and WAN credentials. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but remember you'll need to repeat these setup steps afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.